Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is a minus b is equals to 11 and square root of a minus square root of b is equals to 1 to find the values of a and b. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. From equation 1, we have a minus b is equals to 11. In here we can write a as the square root of a to power of 2 and b as square root of b to power of 2 and is equals to 11. And this is in the form of difference of 2 square, and we can write this as square root of a minus square root of b times square root of a plus square root of b, right, is equals to 11. In here, as you know, if we have x square minus y square, this is equals to x minus y times x plus y, right? Use this formula in here. So, in next step, from equation number 2, in here, the square root of a minus the square root of b is 1. So this is equals to 1, so it will be 1 times square root of a plus square root of b is equals to 11. And in here, it will be square root of a plus square root of b is equals to 11, right? And we let this as equation number 3. So, in next step, from equation number 3, we have square root of a plus square root of b is equals to 11. And from equation number 2, in here, the square root of a minus the square root of b is equals to 1. So we write square root of a minus square root of b is equals to 1. And in next step, we add these two equation, and it will be square root of a plus square root of a, it will be 2 square root of a, and square root of b minus square root of b, it will be 0 and is equals to 11 plus 1, it will be 12. And in next step, we divide both of this equation by 2, so it will be this divided by 2 and this divided by 2, and it will be square root of a, this will cancel this, is equals to 6. And in next step, we square both of this equation, so this to power of 2 and this to power of 2, and it will be, here this will cancel this, and a is equals to 36. So we find the value of a, and to find the value of b from equation number 1, a minus b is equals to 11. So we write from equation number 1, a minus b is equals to 11, and a is 36, so we write 36 minus b is equals to 11. And in next step, we take this negative b to this side and 11 to this side, so it will be 36 minus 11 is equals to b. And from here, b is equals to 25. So our final answer for a and b is a is 36 and b is 25. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.